Today we are going to show you how to make crinkles.
Yeah!
First you need pure cocoa powder.
One big bowl.
And we have two.
Yeah.
So both of us can steer.
Yeah.
We have a flour.
Big flour.
Vanilla powder.
Vanilla powder. Sugar.
And measuring cup and
A
salt.
little bit of salt.
First we're going to get your bowls and put 1 cup of flour.
We added
cocoa powder. This is enough, right?
Cocoa powder, pure 100% cocoa powder. Sugar.
Pour an entire thing.
Yeah, we're gonna pour the entire thing.
Oh my.
Here, in the middle. Wow!
Stir it first before adding
What?
the egg.
Wait, don't crack the egg!
It's cracked already.
Oh, fine. I'll just
It makes it sticky.
This is vanilla powder. I'm going to mix it since I cracked it.
Teaspoon of baking powder. Next
Wow.
you add oil, or a little bit. Half of the butter.
Add some sugar. Put it here, and then we can make it mix. Yeah, it's powdered. It doesn't look like sugar anymore.
Grab the chocolate balls. Make them
Chocolate
round. Dip this here. Flatten it. That's 2.
That's 3.
Say a circle. There.
Can you hear? Okay.
Now, before we're going to sell it, we're going to taste it. Let's see if it tastes so good.
Oh my goodness.
Ouch.
Oh my.
That is hot.
That's
This
burning hot.
This part is hot.
Yeah.
Good.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I really like it. 9
It's
out of 10,
all
but
good.
10 out of 10.
It's a 10 out of 10. I didn't taste the marshmallows yet though.
Me neither. Oh my, it's so soft.
Mommy! This improved to an infinity out of 10.
Not. Beyond infinity. I can be honest.
Yeah, I am very honest with you. It's so good. You have to try this recipe. Good enough to sell, but you think they'll like it? And it is hot.
Yeah. It's so warm. And it's cold.
Now it's kind of cold here. And I'm not wearing anything.
Look at her. She is. Are you serious?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
It's so good.